Today I'm going to demonstrate how to make a Hairy Navel. Now we're going to build this drink directly in our highball glass. Ice. Navel Vodka. And your other is going to be a peach schnapps. Now Peachtree is probably the most popular brand, but if you have a different peach schnapps that you happen to use and prefer, feel free to go with it. An ounce of each or 4 counts. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. It's going to give us our desired. We're going to top the rest of the glass off with orange juice. Now when you're serving a drink in a highball glass like this with just a couple ingredients, make sure that you stir it with your straw. And if you choose to garnish this drink, you're definitely going to want to use a fresh orange slice, or what I like to do is flag it with an orange slice and a maraschino cherry. Just make sure that it's solidly on the rim so that you're all set. That is your Hairy Navel. Enjoy.